Hello, hello, hello. You all know who Brandy is. She played as Moesha, but she is Brandy Norwood. She has reached a $40,000 settlement with her former housekeeper. Now, most of you might know that Brandy was sued by her former housekeeper for alleged age discrimination and more. And the catch is the plaintiff attorneys want their legal fees and court costs paid for by Brandy. And so what happened here is that the housekeeper, she sued Brandy actually for more than $40,000. She sued her for more than $250,000 back in March. And so, her name is Maria Elizabeth Castaneda, also known as Elizabeth Juarez, the former housekeeper, right? And so, Kevin, it's the attorneys that are asking for the money is Kevin A. Lipeles and Thomas H. Schelly of the Lipeles Law Firm in El Segundo are seeking fees from $39,194.46 to $87,445.80, depending on the method the current court chooses to determine what is owed. $39,194.46 to $87,445.80. Now, their filing suggests as part of the settlement, Brandy Norwood has agreed to pay the amount determined by the court. Now, there is a hearing that is set for December 8th, of this year. Now, Castaneda, she worked for Norwood, Brandy, for nearly 20 years, making $125 a day, starting in September 2002 and continuing until she allegedly was fired on February 25th of this year. According to documents filed previously with the court, she cooked, cleaned, and did laundry. Now, in her civil complaint, the 60-year-old Castaneda accused her former employer of age discrimination related to her firing, plus additional violations related to state-mandated breaks, meal periods, overtime, and more. Now, Brandy's lawyers argued in court papers that the performer, 43, wasn't liable for age discrimination and failure to prevent discrimination under state laws because she didn't regularly employ 5 people. They also said Castaneda voluntarily quit. Now, Castaneda initially sought compensatory damages, like I said, of at least $250,000, general damages of at least $250,000, consequential damages of at least $97,500, additional damages totaling more than $54,000, and attorney fees. It's unclear when the $40,000 settlement was reached. Now, this woman was asking for a whole bunch of money. But you know that when you ask for a lot of money, you're liable to get something if they find some type of, fault with the defendant. When a claimant brings a claim, they usually will find something to give them something. So they found some type of fault. We don't know what the faults were, but they are only giving her, awarding her $40,000, even though she sued for quite a bit of money. Consequential damages, $97,500 is a lot, and then additional damage was $54,000, but she's only going to get $40,000. But her attorneys are asking, like I said, for money to take care of their legal fees as well. They're seeking the money, so they have to file a motion, with the courts to see if they can get Brandy to take care of the legal fees so that Miss Castaneda, or Miss, also known as Miss Juarez, I guess she can walk away with her $40,000, and keep that, and they can get the rest so that she, can walk away with something. Because if they go after her, she's gonna be left. If they get 40, if they are seeking, $39,194.46, and their client only got 40,000, that don't leave the client with but some change, right? So that's probably another thing they're looking at too. So they're going after Brandy for those legal fees because they did not win as much money as they thought. Because if they had have won that $250,000 on behalf of the plaintiff that brought this case, the ex-housekeeper, guess what? Then they could have taken their fees out of the $250,000, which would have left her some money. But because she only got $40,000, they want Brandy to pay those legal fees, and that she suggested that she would according to their filing. So I will keep you updated on this story as it unfolds to find out if there is a story that unfolds on the legal fees and how that will play out in the court of law. So talk with you all soon. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber, and share the video. And God bless you all on today.